Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Today we are going to start a new lesson that is from English grammar. Lesson number 13, capital letters. As you have learned this already in senior junior, what is capital letters and what is small letters. So we will just learn in detail what is capital letters and when and where we should write the capital letters. What is the first one? All sentences begins with the capital letters. Okay, the star shines in the sky. Bring me a needle, please. You are my friend. As you can see here, all the sentences begin with the कैपिटल लेटर्स. जो भी सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होगे ना, हमें उसे कैपिटल लेटर से ही स्टार्ट करना है. जो उनका जो स्टार्टिंग जो वर्ड है तो वो उनका हमें फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल लेटर लिखना है. ओके, वॉट एवर द सेंटेंस बिगेन्स वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर. एज यू कैन सी हियर द इज गिवन, सो द स्टार्टिंग we have to write with the capital letter, that is T. Here the bring is given here. It is a starting word, begins the sentence, so we have to write the capital B. What is the third one is you are my friend, so you is the begin of the sentence, and begin of the sentence we have to write the capital letter. Okay, moving to the second. All proper noun begins with capital letters. Now all the proper nouns begins with the capital letters. जैसे common noun is a name, place, animal, thing, anything. Okay, name, place होता है, animal, things होता है. जैसा normal है जो एक ही चीज़ है, common है, जैसे dog है तो बहुत सारे dogs है, ये सब है, तो उनका properly name नहीं है तो वो common noun होता है. And what is the proper nouns? That the girls are there, so many girls are there, but the girl name is Nina, so Nina is a proper noun. उनका नेम दिए है ना, so all the proper nouns begins with the capital letter. For example, Sunil is a person का उन्होंने name describe किया Sunil. Now place, now so many places there, so it will be a common noun, but the name is given, the place name is given, place is given Nagpur, so Nagpur will start from capital letter. None, Monday, so many days are there. Okay, so they have given here the day's name. What is the day name? Monday. So Monday will be in capital letter. Again, April. So many months are there, and they have given a proper name of the month, April. So April will be in capital letter. Only the starting letter will be in capital letter. What is the last one? Holi. So many festivals are there. So many festivals are there, we will include in a common noun, but they have given a specific name of the festival. So festival name is given here Holi. So Holi will be a proper noun, and proper noun will start with the capital letters. Okay, so what is the third one? The third one is the capital letter is also used for the words I by itself. You and I are friends. Means the capital letter is also used for the word I जैसा हम अपने लिए लिखते हैं ना, I वर्ड स्टार्टिंग रहता है तो उनके लिए भी I and you and I are friends. तो you के लिए भी हम फर्स्ट है वर्ड राइट है, फर्स्ट लेटर बिगिनस हुआ ना, तो यू के लिए हम कैपिटल लिखेंगे, लेकिन हम आई भी जहाँ पर भी यूज़ करें तो वी हैव टू राइट इन अ कैपिटल लेटर्स. बिफोर अगर वो बिगिन भी होता है या फिर मिडल में भी आता है तो वी हैव टू राइट इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू स्टूडेंट्स, when and where we have to write the capital letters? When the sentence begins, we have to write the capital letter word, and all the proper nouns start with the capital letters. Okay, it would be name, place, animal or things. It has given the proper name, so we have to write in capital letters. And the letter word I, we have to write in capital letters, whether it would be in starting or in middle or it in end. Moving to the exercise. Rewrite this sentence using capital letters when necessary. Don't forget to end each sentences with a full stop. Okay, already what they have given here the sentence. Okay, but they have given a wrong sentence. What we have to do? We have to proper use the capital letters whenever it is necessary. And don't forget at the end to use a full stop. उन्होंने क्या दिया, ऑलरेडी आपको सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं लेकिन उन्होंने करेक्ट नहीं दिए, हमें वो करेक्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है, जैसा किधर क्या कैपिटल लेटर्स यूज़ हो सकता है। और ये नहीं भूलना कि आपको हर एक सेंटेंस के एंड में फुल स्टॉप देना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि वो सेंटेंस एंड हो जाता है। सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वन। Let us all sit down. Now, whatever capital letters is there, we have to write the capital letter. We have to begin the sentence with the capital letter. So, here we will write here L-E-T. L will be in capital letter. Let us all sit down. Let us all sit down. It is all correct. At the end, we have to put here full stop because the sentence is complete. What is the second is? My name is Leela. Now my starting word is am. Okay, so starting we have to write here am. Am will be in capital letter. My. Now name is proper is Leela. Now Leela is a girl. Girl is a common noun, but the girl name is given here. It is a proper noun. Okay, so proper noun is given here. So already they have mentioned we have to use capital letters for the proper noun. So we have to write here capital L. E-E-L-A. Leela. What is the third one? We celebrate Christmas in December. Now what they are given here? First of all, we have to write here capital letter because it is a begin. It begins the sentences. So we have to write here capital W. Okay, now we celebrate. Then again what they have given here? Christmas. Yes, Christmas. Now Christmas is a proper noun. Yes, so we have to write the capital letter for Christmas. Okay, and again what is given here? December. Okay, there are so many months, but they have given a proper name of the month. So for this too, we have to write capital letter D, December. Okay, moving to the fourth one. My sister and I went to Pune. My sister and I went to Pune. And the first is my. We have to write with a capital letter. Okay, starting word is with a capital letter. So we will write here capital M by my sister. Sister is a common noun. And I went to Pune. Now here Pune is a proper noun. So many places are there. So it will be a common noun. But the proper name is given of the place, Pune. So here the capital for Pune will be P. We have to write the capital letter for Pune. What is the fifth one? Rover and I play with a ball. Now who is this Rover? Rover is a dog, right? Dog is there. Dog is a common noun, but the dog name is here Rover. So, and the Rover is the, yes, it's begin with the Rover. It is the first word that sentence is begin. So, what we have to do? We have to write R with a capital letter, and I play with a ball. Again, what they have mentioned here? What they have mentioned here? I. Yes, and I word is given here, right? I word is given here. So we have to write it in capital letters. Okay students, hope you understood this very well. हमें सिर्फ जो भी कैपिटल लेटर्स जो सेंटेंसेस स्टार्ट होते हैं हमें वो कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखना है, और जो भी प्रॉपर नाउन्स दिए गए हैं ना, जैसा नेम, प्लेसेस, एनिमल, थिंग्स के जो प्रॉपरली उनका नेम दिया गया है तो वो भी कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखना है. और कभी भी अगर आई आता है सेंटेंस में तो दैट टू वी हैव टू राइट इन अ कैपिटल लेटर्स. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.